This doorbell footage triggered a police investigation. A man stands outside, not moving, for 3 hours. At 4:44 a.m., the camera glitches. When it comes back, the man is inside the house. The police arrived swiftly analyzing the situation. Inside the house, every corner is shadowy and tense, heightening the sense of danger. Investigators meticulously scrutinized the doorbell footage, piecing together the mystery of how he got in. As dawn broke, the neighborhood remained eerily quiet, unaware of the chaos that had unfolded. The detective examined the front door, noting signs of forced entry with a keen eye for detail. Forensic teams arrived to gather crucial evidence from the scene, ensuring nothing was overlooked. Meanwhile, neighbors watched nervously from behind closed curtains, their lives disrupted by the unsettling events.